This is my story. My name is Faraz, and for the past 15 years, I've been deeply involved in the world of accounting. Over the years, I've had the opportunity to work with people from all walks of life, large firms, small businesses, or individual clients. And one thing I consistently noticed was how everyone, including myself, wanted to speed up their work processes. In the world of accounting, Microsoft Excel is our best friend. It's where most of our work happens. But there was always this one hurdle: remembering all those Excel shortcuts. Time and again, I saw people slow down, struggling to recall the right keys to press. Even when I shared shortcuts with my friends and colleagues, they'd forget them quickly. There were countless times when I'd write down shortcuts on sticky notes for my colleagues, hoping it would help. But more often than not, those sticky notes would get lost, or the notes would simply be missed during work. It was a small inconvenience, but it led to significant delays in getting work done. That's when the idea of shortcut cubes struck me. What if there was a simple physical product that could sit right on your desk, always within reach? A tool that could keep all essential Excel shortcuts visible and easily accessible, helping you work faster and more efficiently. Then I thought, why just shortcuts? Why not a complete learning kit? And that's how Shortcut Cube was invented. Unlike sticky notes, digital reminders, mugs, keyboard pads, 100-page books, the Shortcut Cube is a small, portable, easy-to-carry interactive nesting cube. You can take it anywhere, whether you're at the office, working from home, or on the go. It's incredibly practical. Shortcut Cubes is a complete guide to learn all functionalities of Microsoft Excel. It allows you to master shortcuts effortlessly in a few days. We have spent years to organize the entire Microsoft Excel into 4 nested interactive cubes. Each cube represents a subject and have been further categorized into 4 difficulty levels: basic, intermediate, advanced, and expert. Each cube has a QR code on its surface which you can scan to view video tutorials on how to use each shortcut in different scenarios. With Shortcut Cube, what used to take an entire day can now be accomplished in just a few hours. It's a game changer for accountants, students, or anyone who spends hours on Excel. It's designed to make your workflow smoother, faster, and stress-free. Shortcut Cubes will allow the organizations to upskill the learning and productivity of their staff in just a few days without any large spend. This is my story. The Shortcut Cube started as a solution to my own struggles, but evolved into a tool that can help everyone. Whether you're an accountant, professional, auditor, lawyer, doctor, a student, or just someone who uses Excel and wants to save time, Shortcut Cube is here to transform the way you work. Ready to boost your productivity and master your shortcuts? Get your Shortcut Cube today and experience the difference yourself.